Good morning and happy Thanksgiving. We are going into Yosemite today. This is mine and Nicole's first time ever going to Yosemite. It's probably our most anticipated national park. We plan on making a Thanksgiving feast in there. And then on Friday, the day after Thanksgiving, we're gonna be hiking Half Dome. We got the van all packed up, ready to go. We're gonna start our drive into the valley. So we kept getting glimpses of El Cap through the trees, but we couldn't actually see it in its entirety. Oh my God. Is it larger or smaller than you thought it was? Okay, I'll just say it. I think it's smaller than I imagined it.
So we talked about how much bigger than the Empire State Building it was. Like the Empire State Building is skinny and tall, but I think since this is just so big all together, it seems like it's smaller, even though it's bigger. You know what I'm saying?
100%.
Even Yosemite has a Starbucks.
This is Yosemite Lodge. I don't know what I was expecting. Nicole said she was expecting something ritzy and fancy, and I guess I was too. It's almost like nice that it's not super developed.
Look, National Park Scrabble. You can't find that anywhere else.
Got tomorrow's summit here, and Nicole's National Park Scrabble.
You're gonna be like, thank you so much for buying Scrabble.
You're right. I'm gonna be grateful for it.
When we're out of power and we can't watch movies anymore, we're gonna be playing Scrabble.
You're fine. So we're in Curry Village Grocery Store?
So we're in Curry Village Grocery Store.
Are you kidding me right now?
Are you kidding me right now?
Are you serious? I thought I was filming this part. This place is really cool. It's got like everything that a normal grocery store would have. Pretty insane that all this exists in Yosemite Valley. All right, we just got to our campsite at Upper Pines. We're gonna go ahead and get started on making our Thanksgiving dinner. That might be a mess in the van, but we'll see. We started cooking Thanksgiving dinner. It's about to be a riot. We're making ham, stuffing, mac and cheese, apple pie, cheesy corn. What else?
That's pretty much it.
That's pretty much it. So stay tuned. It's gonna be sweet. We got our ham, stuffing, cheesy corn, mac and cheese, and we're gonna put an apple pie in the oven. I don't think that's half bad for making a Thanksgiving dinner in a van in Yosemite. Not the worst looking plate.
Cheers.
Cheers. Good morning. It is 4:30 a.m. We're ready. We're up and we're out and we're getting it. And we're gonna have a great day. It's gonna be exciting. Nicole's super excited. I can't actually believe how excited Nicole is. It begins, John Muir Trail.
We already walked like a freaking mile to get here.
Yeah, the road to the trailhead is closed. It added a bit of distance, which is always great. So it's starting to get a little bit brighter outside. So I figured I would do a little explanation of what our plan is today. We're on the Half Dome Trail, taking the John Muir Trail up to the Half Dome summit. That's gonna make this hike about 19 miles, 5,300 feet of elevation gain. It's also worth mentioning that the last 600 feet, quarter mile of this hike is the Half Dome cables. And typically during the on season, before November, the cables are propped up in the air, almost like a handrail. But since it's the off season, those cables are actually put down and they're just laying flat against the granite. So we have our harnesses, we have a prusik hitch, and we're gonna try to ascend the cables that way. This is gonna be the longest hike in terms of mileage that either of us have done. That's why we started so early. We're at Little Yosemite Valley. This marks about the halfway point from when we started to the top. Well, the sun is finally out and we're not freezing our fingers and our toes. Feels pretty good. It's only 8:45 a.m. right now. It's been on the trail for about 4 hours. Check out how long this pine cone is. It's like longer than my foot. Okay, first patch of snow the whole trail. Well, we're at the base of Subdome right here. We gotta hop over some rocks and then we get to the bottom of the actual dome. Okay, this is the beginning of the Subdome. It's pretty steep. Nicole decided to not summit. I don't blame her for not wanting to do it. So she's gonna wait for me and I'm gonna run up there and do it really quick and then head back down. Top of Subdome. That's Half Dome behind me. Okay, so the basic system I have going here is I got a carabiner, I am running a prusik to the cable, and then when I inevitably have to untie this and put it on the next cable section, I've got an alpine draw with another beaner that I can just toss onto the next section so that I'm always attached to the cable. So I'm at my first mounting point for the cables. I have to untie here. So I got my alpine draw attached above that blockage right there so that it holds. And then I'm gonna untie this prusik, tie it back over here. That way I can keep working my way up. Oh, it's gonna be so much easier going down. So the cool thing about a prusik hitch is that it's a friction hitch. It'll tighten itself around the cable when you put tension on it. So it prevents you from falling backwards in a situation like this. You definitely don't want to fall down this. That is an unbiased view of the grade of this rock. So right here in this crack is where the Park Service stores all metal poles and the foot support wooden planks that normally support this cable. The end of the cables. I did it. Almost at the summit. I just gotta go up there. There's El Cap and the whole valley down below. We kept passing each other on the trail, yeah. I was glad to see you guys here. I saw you looking back at me and I was like, don't rush, please. Like, I am so slow right now.
One of them was saying that the Subdome was harder, which I mean, going down, I would. Alright.
I'm coming, yeah.
There you go.
Nice.
I can take it.
Just amazing views up here. I can't believe it. So this right here where I'm standing is called the diving board. Pretty insane views up here. I've never seen anything like it. Unreal. Well, I met some super nice people up here. Everyone was super psyched to be summiting today. Absolutely gorgeous day to do it. But I didn't want to wait too long because I know that Nicole's nervous. She's down there waiting for me. Nicole, I'm coming for you. And I'm down. Successful Half Dome summit. I'm so happy to see Nicole. I'm beyond excited to talk to her about it. I almost forgot that I had this. Totally forgot to drink this at the summit, so I'm gonna open it right now. There it is, Half Dome in the background. Perfectly appropriate summit beer. I see her. She's sitting over there in the sun.
Gotta show me the label. He did it. I'm proud of him.
So I almost forgot. I chose to wear a specific shirt today. It's my Half Dome shirt. It's the North Face logo is actually modeled after Half Dome. It's even more impressive on the way down. So we're on the mist trail now for our way down. And earlier this morning when we were coming up this way, we were taking the John Muir Trail. Well, we thought we kept hearing rockfall. I think we figured out what it was. Okay, we did it. We basically ran that last mile because there was like a million people and triggered my fight or flight. We got 4:40 end time. We started about 5 a.m. That's just under 12 hours. I have logged 45,300 and some change steps, and that's it. We're about to go take some showers because we are filthy. I see the van. Do you see it? We're losing it. All right, well, we took a shower. We're back at the van. We're gonna make some food. And I honestly think that's enough excitement for the day. So we're just gonna end the video here. So thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.
We'll see you in the next one.